Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing my brand new GoPro Hero10. But first, I'm going to tell you how I got it for free. Thanks for tuning in to There to Here Travels. I want to give you a disclaimer first before you go and watch this video. If you're looking for an unboxing video done by somebody who knows what they're talking about, then you are in the wrong place and you should search for somebody who deals with gadgets. We are a travel blog. Just like every other traveler who had a cruise booked through 2020 and had their vacations canceled, we got the 125% future cruise credit that we accepted, plus $250 per person. So we had $500 onboard credit on our Alaskan cruise that we just took. With our booking, we also had the drink package, 2 specialty dinings complimentary, all gratuities paid, and we had already had excursions booked that were just rolled forward to the new booking. So when we actually got on board and had $500 onboard credit, we had nothing to spend our money on. So $500, yes, it cost $500, but for us, that $500 was given to us, so we just spent our free $500 on a free GoPro. We're also shareholders, so we had an extra $100 onboard credit added, so a total of $600 onboard credit, and we spent $140 on the internet and, of course, the rest on the GoPro. So our entire balance at the end was $40, and that included our GoPro and the internet. So you can either say we spent $40 on the internet or we spent $40 on the GoPro. As brand new travel vloggers, having the opportunity to get a brand new GoPro, we decided that this just made more sense for us. If you were given onboard credit for a canceled cruise, let us know in the comment section what you used it on, how much were you given. I know it varied from cruise line to cruise line, what they were offering, so let us know what you got. All right, now's the time to crack this thing open, but first I wanna ask you to hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've never owned a GoPro, so I don't know anything about this. I can't compare it to any other GoPro or adventure-y type cameras, but I did some research, watched some YouTube videos like this one, and figured out it's pretty good. So we're happy. Let's crack it open and find out how good it actually is. Okay, so at first glance, I'm checking out, the box is pretty fancy looking. I can see there's a little, there we go. And, ooh. All right. Say it with me. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. All right, let's check this out. We've got some paperwork, quick setup looking thing. Tells me exactly how to do it pretty quick. And then like the book, if you wanna know a lot more, which I do not. That's gonna go over there. And that is gonna go over there. All right, so my phone is recording me right now, so I'm not going to scan this little QR code, but that's the first step. So I'm gonna break the rules and I'm not gonna follow the first step. I am going to go straight into step number 2, which is taking this thing out. Oh, it's dusty. You can see that? Oh, dusty. Oh, little clip things. I'm guessing that's to connect to the handle. I did not get the set that includes the handle, so we'll have to purchase that separately. But we've got the GoPro. We've got the wires and the little curvy clip. I don't have the flat clip. It didn't give me one of those. But this is the little mount thing that this would attach to. And my battery. And the little lock thingy, screwy thing. And that's it. That's all I got. So we've got my box, got my GoPro, got my little clippy mounty thing, got the battery. All of these are technical terms, by the way, clippy mounty thing. The charger wire, the little helmet rubber sticky thing, and the screwy thing. Let me know in the comment section if you agree with my technical terms. Next up, sticking the battery inside and charging it. But first, we're gonna peel off these little sticker things. I don't ever peel off the stickers. I leave them on as long as possible, but it's kind of impossible with this. You have to take it off because it's kind of covering the lens. So we're gonna have to peel it off. It's like ASMR. I tease my kids all the time. They listen to ASMR to go to bed. If you don't know what that is, you can find thousands of YouTube videos. But there's all kinds of like visual satisfying moments or audio satisfying moments. I don't know, peeling off little stickers, it's like ASMR. Okay, so peeled off my stickers. Now I have a fresh and clean GoPro. I'm gonna pop open some of these sides. Let's see. I don't know how to pop it open. This is what happens when it's somebody who's never owned a GoPro, does an unboxing video. So you're learning like, as if you're a brand new person. Okay, it says it here, how to do it. Okay, so if it's looking at me, pull down, down. I might have to finish this video after Jason gets home because I don't know how to open this. It's not opening. I got it. Okay, I pushed it down and then it swings open. That is tough. I guess it's gotta be for being waterproof, right? Okay. It is waterproof, isn't it? Okay, battery goes in. Battery is in. All right, let's close this sucker back up. Hope it's easier to close it. Oh no, it stays open. Battery door stays open once you insert the battery because that's the only way to plug in the charging port goes into there. All right, so plug is in. I'm gonna plug this thing in and we're gonna have to finish this video after I've charged it. Let's go plug this thing in. All right, it's all fully charged. It took just under 2 hours to charge right out the box. So it does not come with a micro SD card, at least not the bundle that I bought. It's just the basic bundle. This is all I get. I have one from, I have no idea why we have this. Probably an old cell phone or something, but it used to be 8 gigs. Whatever it had been used in, it had been reformatted. So its size is actually only 1 gig now, unfortunately. So I'm going to slide it in. And it just clicks into place. And then close the door and push it shut. Okay, so now turning it on. Oh, it's noisy. GoPro. All right, we are speaking English. I agree. To turn on tag your footage with location, speed, altitude, and more. Sure. So this is the part that we get to with where I need my phone. So I downloaded the app while the camera was charging. So I didn't do anything in it other than accept terms and allow connection to my camera reel. So connect. Change camera name. Okay. And we've got an update going. Okay. Okay, so as you just saw, as I was trying to go through the updating process and get it all set up, my SD card is too small for the update. So even though it was 8 gigs, it had been reformatted to 1. There's only 1 gig available. Apparently you need more than a gig. So it's not gonna update. I'm gonna have to order one. Rude. I'm gonna have to order one from Amazon and finish this video some other time. Maybe tomorrow. Amazon's pretty quick, but not today. All right, so even though I can't show y'all the rest of the setup for now, I can show you how this slides in to there and tightens up. This little rubber flappy thingy comes up and then it slides into place. The rubber flappy thingy is supposed to go back down. Oh, there we go. It wasn't pushed all the way. All right, push it till you hear a click. Then you can put the rubber thingy back down, loosen it to adjust it to the position you want it, and tighten it where you want it to not move anymore. And there you go. Since I can't finish recording right now, I do have a second to ask you to click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I know I already said it, but it's important. Just do it. All right, so Amazon only took 2 days to get me my micro SD card, but I was busy. So it's now about a week later and the flowers that were in the shot are pretty much all wilted. So moving on. Now that I have my micro SD card, I'm gonna finish updating my GoPro and start testing it out. Okay, let's pick up where we left off. Update. Through the magic of technology, we can speed it all up and you don't have to sit around and watch, as it takes forever to install. Okay, it didn't take forever, it only took 3 minutes, but watching an update load for 3 minutes probably feels like watching paint dry, so we're just gonna fast forward this part. Now that it's all done, it's time for some fun. There's my super high-tech setup. Disinfecting wipes and a salt shaker to balance my phone. Nikon on the tripod. And now I don't know which camera to look at. The GoPro or my iPhone? GoPro, iPhone, GoPro, iPhone. I'm very interested in comparing the quality of the GoPro footage to the quality of the iPhone footage. I'm gonna see what I've got now that I've got some 4K going on. This is a clip of our DC footage. Jason was holding the GoPro and I was holding my iPhone 12 Pro, which I thought was a pretty good camera until seeing a side-by-side of this footage. The GoPro is the clear winner. And they both had some issues with picking up on wind, although even the GoPro I think had better audio. I will probably still get the microphone mod for the GoPro. Now I want to show you what I mean about the audio, so I'm going to show you an audio clip of my iPhone and an audio clip of the GoPro so you can compare both. So final thoughts, this GoPro was worth every penny of our onboard credit. and we can't wait to use it more on our next vacation. We weren't used to it yet in DC, so we did not spend enough time using it there, but we are excited to try it out on our next one. So now time to wrap up this video with some more technology magic and go back in time to the first day of recording. Pretty snazzy. Okay, let's put it all away. It'd be nice if this had like actual compartments instead of this little insert. That'd be kind of cool. Just stick this up here. I guess I'll keep the insert for now because otherwise it's just going to be shuffling around. But that's that.